showing you how to build a medical courier delivery driver business as an independent contractor using your own car today. These specialized certifications put you in control, help you make $1,500 per day, and position you to scale into being a prime contractor and entrepreneur. Like Nip the Great said, the game is gonna test you. Never fold. Stay 10 toes down. What's in you, they can't take away. That mindset is exactly what you need to do to set up and dominate as a medical courier independent contractor in 2026. I am here on YouTube because I love helping people like you. I've been winning multi-million-dollar federal government contracts for 19 years. As of January 12, 2026, my anniversary, and I've been running 3 businesses in the healthcare sector, which encompasses the medical courier business, IT professional services, and construction management in the private sector for 31 years. I know exactly how to show, mentor you to scale and go from point A to point Z. This video is packed with specialized certifications I'm excited to present that will position you to dominate and take control of your business and income earnings of $1,500 daily. For those who stick around to the end of the video, I got a few high-paying bonuses you don't want to miss or skip. The most lucrative medical courier independent contractor delivery driver opportunities, urgently hiring. Here's how the highest paying specialized certification that positions you to be in control and earn that money. Say it, $1,500 plus per day in a medical pharmaceutical courier certification. This certification trains you to handle radioactive pharmaceutical materials, safely delivering them on strict schedules with zero room for error. Precision and reliability are everything in this role because you're responsible for time-critical deliveries across the network. Must be a dependable professional 1099 independent contractor medical courier. For this video, we're focusing on cars and maintain available hours of service to cover your routes. This video is helping you become the best medical courier independent contractor. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Now, requirements include a commercial driver's license, class A, B, or C, DOT, hazmat endorsement, valid DOT medical card, attention to detail, and the ability to consistently lift up to 100 pounds. You also need a reliable phone, Android or iPhone, and must be able to pass a background check. With insurance, these are mostly routed deliveries with scheduled stops, but some routes may change unexpectedly based on customer needs. Did you hear me? And there's staff and on-demand deliveries where you get dispatched last minute by a route manager. This is where you can really hit the $1,500 plus per day. Backup and standby work for route voice also is extra income. Next, the Chemo delivery certification. This focuses on safely transporting chemotherapy medications, which are hazardous, requires strict adherence to handling protocols. It's high risk, high rewarding because pharmacies and hospitals pay top dollar for reliable certified couriers. As a medical courier, you are expected to know the exact handling procedures, maintain adequate logs, and deliver within tight time frames. Can you handle that? You must have a car or compatible vehicle, a CDL with hazmat endorsement, a DOT med card, and be attentive to detail. This certification opens the door to higher paying contracts, often exceeding $1,500 per day in busier markets. The third is the CRYO fertility courier certification. It deals with the transport of sensitive fertility and reproductive materials. It's all about precision, temperature control, and adhering to strict chain of custody protocols. Couriers with this certification are in demand because the margin of error, again, is extremely small, making this one of the highest paying certifications. Requirements are similar: commercial driver's license, DOT med card, attention to detail, reliable vehicle, and background checks. Routes may include last-minute stat deliveries to and from the facility to the airport, giving independent contractors flexibility and premium pay opportunities. Check the video above. Learn how to find and land medical courier independent government contracts in 2026. So these 3 certifications, Radiopharmarmacitical, Chemo, and CRYO fertility, put you in a position to command $1,500 plus daily while positioning yourself as an entrepreneur and prime contractor, expanding into private sector contracts, pharmacies, specialty clinician offices, and other regional companies that need these certifications. You can run your own medical courier business while strategically managing premium routes with these regional companies located in the United States. Before I go into specific medical courier car bonus details, remember to watch this video from beginning to end. Step away if you need to. Just pause it. YouTube will still reward your watch and all this free content designed to put you in a strong entrepreneurial position as a medical courier independent contractor. You're ready to scale, earn $1,500 plus daily, and expand into stable, high-paying medical courier, pharma, independent contractor, and delivery driver opportunities. Bonus number 1, Life Couriers. You've heard of them? Life Couriers, Associated Couriers. They merge to expand their market into 20 regional hubs strategically located throughout the Northeast, Midwest, South for strong network coverage across the U.S. They provide customized, cost-effective, time-sensitive logistics solutions. They are hiring hazmat delivery drivers or contractors, hazmat medical couriers with valid DOT med cards, and independent contractor medical couriers contractors. Route types: same day, next flight out, or daily dedicated routes covering time-sensitive, life-critical deliveries. Let me calm down. Vehicle types: cars, large SUVs, minivans, sprinters, or cargo vans. Requirements: CDL Class A, B, or C, valid DOT hazmat endorsement, and valid DOT med card. These positions are high demand premium routes, perfect for side hustlers ready to scale into a full-time medical courier business. Are you ready? Be on the lookout in a shorts video for an amazing surprise drop that you don't want to miss out on. Okay, Jules? Bonus number 2, medical courier opportunities with SDS-RX is hiring independent contractors for cars right now. Entrepreneurs. Be your own boss. You determine your own hours and provide delivery services on your own schedule. Drive your own car and drive with purpose, delivering medical packages to people in need. Requirements to become a 1099 SDS independent contractor: 21 years of age or older with a valid U.S. driver's license with at least 3 years driving experience, clean driving record, own your own vehicle with valid insurance meeting or exceeding SDS minimums, with an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp, pass a criminal background investigation. Can you qualify? They are hiring now with sign-on bonuses in several states. Arkansas, $500 bonus for pharmaceutical delivery drivers, 2 positions. Durango, Colorado, $2,000 bonus for pharmaceutical delivery drivers. Grand Junction, Colorado, $500 bonus. Greer, South Carolina, pharma delivery driver. Homewood, Alabama, pharma delivery driver. Michigan, $2,500 bonus, and many more openings across the United States. Check their website for details. Remember, this is an opportunity to earn $1,500 plus daily, building your medical courier business as a flexible independent contractor. Jules, You can grab these high-paying opportunities while managing your own schedule, be in control, and scaling your medical courier business. I'm rooting for you. Bonus number 3. Smith Logistical Services. Not only do you get another high-paying medical courier independent contractor opportunity in Atlanta, Georgia. Look, this 2-in-1 deal, you also get their access to their pharmaceutical training priced at $99. And they're hiring right now. Opportunities include hazmat delivery drivers, drivers with sprinters, SUVs, minivans, and cars. The link will be in the description box below so you can train and start earning at the same time. How about that? Right now, the highest demand is for cargo vans, SUVs, and minivans. The routes, they're dedicated medical routes on demand, e-commerce deliveries. Listen, the schedule, you pick your availability, part-time, full-time, weekends only, or full-time stacked routes. So the requirements, standard background checks, valid driver's license, and vehicle insurance. You need a med card. Just go to the doctor for your annual physical and have them fill out the form, and that's it. This is high-paying opportunities perfectly aligned with your medical courier contractor path. Grab it while scaling your business and boosting your daily pay to $1,500 plus. Certification resources is with Integrity Medical Courier. So the training link will be in the description box. Courses offered: BBP, your bloodborne pathogen cert, and chemotherapy, hazardous drug transport, specimen handling and transportation certification, Radiopharmarmacitical Courier, and the options that give you like combo certification options. Those are available for a reasonable cost. And they also have beginner-friendly for entrepreneurs building their medical courier businesses certifications. For those of you who are serious about the CRYO fertility certification, contact me directly. I'll pin that link in the comments below. Remember, the medical courier field is a helping hands industry. So you must be compassionate, reliable, organized, and an excellent time manager. By mastering these skills and certifications allows you to scale from your side hustles to private sector prime contracting. And if you choose to go into multi-million-dollar federal contracting opportunities while building your entrepreneurship journey, stay tuned.